Hi students, welcome back. And in this tutorial, we're going to quickly do a find and replace. Basically, if I want to find something in this document, a specific word, I have the option to either replace it with a different word, or I would perhaps just want to know how many words of the same kind is maybe visible in this document. All right, so to do that, you would then have to go to the Home tab. You click on the Home tab, and right far right end of your document or your ribbon, you will find the editing tab or the editing group, which is find, replace, and select is there, but we're just going to focus on find and replace. Both of them, find and replace, is kind of like the same function. Like, for example, if I click on find, I get the option, the navigation option on my left hand side, and I can physically type in what I want to find, and it's going to find the word for me. Say, for example, we want to find the word Richardson or the name Richardson. I'm just going to type it in there, and it's very important that you type it exactly as it is written, or at least part of the word. And as you can see, Word has highlighted all the Richardsons for me. It actually tells me also how many results were found. So in this case, 4 results were found, and it tells I can even specify on what pages they were. It shows me this document only has 2 pages, and if perhaps you can't see, but basically on both pages the word or the name Richardson was found, and it highlighted it for me. Under headings, create an interface. It doesn't show me any headings specific because there isn't actually any headings besides the main one. Okay, so it shows me the 4 results. But if I use the arrow button next to the word find or the find button, I have 3 other options. 3 others, or actually mainly 2 other search options. And the second one is advanced find. And over here, I also have the option to find, like the original one, but I also have the option to replace, and then I get the replacement, all right, which is exactly similar to the replace function. Same thing, exactly the same thing. So finds, advanced find is exactly the same function as replace. So if I use the advanced find option and I specify replace, I can actually replace Richardson with another name. Say, for example, David. All right. And if I click on more options, I have other functions that's available for me. In other words, I can find words that's similar to that. Whole words only sounds like English. But if I go into the replace option over here, format, for example, I can go into font. And then I can actually change the style, maybe of the replacement. For example, remember David's that I want to replace it with. I can change it to be bold. I can change the size to be different. I can even change the color of the font to be a certain thing. I can underline, and I can even change the underline color to something else. I can make it all caps if I wanted to. I can make it, well, you get the idea. And here is the example of what that change is going to look like. So if I click OK, all right, it shows me all the specifications that I wanted. I'm going to click on replace all, and Word is going to tell me what it's done. It's done all those changes, and it actually made 4 replacements. So I know that the replacements will be made, and then I can click on OK. I can close this dialog box, and as you can see, all the Richardsons were now replaced, and I should expect 4 replacements. And as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So thank you guys for watching, and that was Find and Replace.